Hey there, it's Ishi here. It's celebration time today. Look at it's a win-win-win. I love it. I'm standing here in the garden and just across the pool, I can see clearly through the netting. That's my pineapple number one right there. I see yellow. I see yellow all the way from here. Let me zoom in so you can see it too. It's time. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. It's celebration time. Can you see it? Yes, I know you see it. All right, let's get with it. Let me tell you about this. Hey there, it's Ishi here, each day with Ishi, and you know where I am. I am in the garden, my patio garden, and it's the journey of my patio garden, my edible landscape. And look at here, as I came out this morning, look, I see some yellow coming in on this pineapple. Yes, 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 see it right there? I'm gonna open it up, pull back, like I say, pull back the curtains. I'm gonna pull back the screen. And this was pineapple number one. Let's see here. There's the number. See? Pineapple number one, the very first one that started out. So let me just open it up here so we can get a better look. Just hold on for a second. It's always hard when you have just one hand here with the camera. I need a camera on my shoulder. Okay, so I have unclipped that. And let's see. Look at there. Oh my goodness. Look at there. Look how beautiful that is. Yes, yes, yes. 6 years ago when I first started my pineapple growing, my first pineapple was about half this size, half the size of this one. It was a mini one, but look how nice that one is looking. Yes, yes, yes. And then I see another little pup. See right there, coming up on the side of it. So in just a few more weeks, this will be ready to harvest. I am so excited. That's pineapple number one as we move into the new month. Let me tell you about that. Okay, I got it all sealed back up, closed up, and like I said, this is pineapple number one. Number one. I put numbers on them so I can know which ones I saw start blooming. But yeah, there it is. It's been raining today, so it's kind of hard to see it down in there. But I just opened it up and showed it to you. So as I was saying, that's pineapple number one right there as I sit across the pool. Yep, right there, that's it. And as we move into the month of August, it's the 8th month of the year, and I always think about, because I'm a Jesus girl, and in the spiritual realm, the 8th month is considered new beginnings. And so this is the last day of July, and as I walked out, I saw where this pineapple is got the yellow coming in, the gold tones, and it will be ready to harvest in the new month, new beginnings for the month of August. And so I'm calling this the A1A. Do it again in August. A1A. Yep. That first one is coming and will be ready to harvest real soon. So I'm excited, and I'll be ready to share with you all when I harvest it and cut it, because they usually are always delicious and so juicy. And I'm just proud of my pineapple journey. And you know, I have how many pineapples growing? About 20 pineapples that's growing in this season, but only 4 that's up for me to harvest. And by the end of August, I should have all 4 of them. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for dropping in to hear about pineapple number 1, A1A. Do it again in August. It's almost there. And remember, it's Ishi here, the edible landscape, my patio journey. Go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with me and know what's happening in the garden. And we'll see you the next time.